put something for drink, you know, man.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going on what I call a herb road tour. Alright, I'm actually heading out to Lucy, 30 minutes outside of Lucy in the hills. Remember Miss James and her husband? We did a video on Irish mush hunting recently. There's a link in the description below. But yes, I'm going to be meeting up with them, and we're going in the hills of Hanover to search for some Vervain. It's actually very rare at this time of the year, but we're going in the hills to look for Vervain. But I've been there before, and I've seen the abundance of amazing, wonderful Jamaican herbs, medicinal herbs up there. And I said, you know what, I'm going today, and I'm going to take you along with me. So stay tuned. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my new videos coming out of Jamaica land we love. Alright guys, well guess what? We're in luck. I wanted some duck flower as well. And we're in Dandelion. That's the name of the place. Dandelion here. And we run into one on the side of the road. Alright, so here we are again with more duck flower. There you go, duck flower. Alright, powerful detoxifier. There you go, duck flower. Alright. Alright guys, duck flower here. Alright. And Sir Glenn find the source, so we're pulling some more. So here's another one guys. I have to be careful here because it's right at the riverbank here. Alright, so that's another one here. Alright guys, the biggest duck flower to date. This is a huge one. Lovely one. We wanted to share that with you. I would just pick that one right over here again at the riverside. Love it. Big up Sir Glenn again. Him find that one there. Alright guys, so we're running to some cocoa. Cocoa ready. Smell fresh and nice too. Yes man, the real thing this. And this is growing wild guys on the side of the river here. This is called Dandelion in Hanover. Alright, so we just burst. So cocoa now is what we used to make the original Jamaican chocolate tea. And this is burst open and the seeds dried and parched, then beaten or grounded, and then spice with nutmeg, vanilla and so on, and roll and put in a ball and roll in a ball, then dried, and then used to make tea. Have a good amount of man. Can make a couple nice cup of tea. We have a early haul. I'm gonna show you what the cocoa look like. Alright, so we're gonna burst it.
This one well ripe.
Well ripe, eh? Yeah. Alright, so that's for demonstration purpose. Wow. Love it. You can actually eat it, right? Yeah. Nice man, it's fresh and so good.
This one well ripe.
Alright guys, stop number 2, we sight an apple tree on the side of the road here. Actually 2, actually 3, actually 4 apple trees. Apple guys. Oh man, lovely. Alright guys, got a juicy one here. Whoa. What? No man, this one is normal man. This is a few, Miss Maxine. Nice. Lovely guys, lovely. Alright guys, so that's carrying the tree overhead. Miss James' son. This apple, this one bigger than Miss Maxine, man. It's huge. Oh man. Picking it in all kind of styles, guys.
It bite
It's
up.
right up.
It bite
Right
up.
up.
Yes.
I eat that one, yeah. I eat this one. So guys, it's right on the side of the river. With Dundepen River. Dundepen River. Yeah man, Dundepen River man. Very fruitful community. There's a lot more on the tree here. Lots of seedlings, lots and lots of apple trees guys. Lots and lots of apple trees. Growing wild. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, lots more apples guys. Unfortunately we won't be able to pick these because they're gonna be wasted. They're gonna fall in the water here in the river. So we're just gonna leave these. Man, it's fun here, man. Alright guys, well now we're at a place called Eastborough and we're gonna get some more apple. Authentic Jamaican Otaheite apple. Or them drop off. Go ahead, miss. Eastborough, guys. Eastborough. The bridge. The mango apple, my God. Yeah, look at that. Alright, there's still a lot more in the tree, guys. Alright, nice catch. Throw one, give me now. Alright, cool, cool. Man, look at that, guys. Apple. The Lord. Alright guys, so this is what the apple, for those of you who for whatever reason don't know, did know. I know most of you actually know, but this is what it looks like. Authentic Jamaican Otaheite apple. Alright, I'm gonna break it to show you. So we typically we do this, or we do it sideways, either way. Alright, and that's it. That's it. Fresh, sweet, and then you'd eat here, the white section here. This is the seed. Alright? And no, you don't need to peel it, you just basically wash it, and that's it. This is beautiful, right? This is just one tree, guys. One tree. We're picking from one tree at the moment, but as you can see, we could easily call this apple walk. But there's an apple tree, young and old. Right, this is apple tree here. As far as you can see here, these are all apple, with the exception of this plant. Everything else is apple. So we have lots and loads of apple here at the moment. Rockstone.
No, like fish.
Oh.
But them use fish wash and all type of apple.
And kill them all. Whoa, more apple, guys. More apple, guys. What if we can reach this one, Sir Kerry? This is lovely. Wow. Ah. This is a special one, guys. Look good. I'm gonna have it now. Guys, so this is not quite a herb or a plant. I thought I'd share it with you. It's a bird's nest. Bird's nest. It looks pretty new to me too. So see as if some bird is laying inside there. So I'd share it with you, right? Cherry. Alright, can you see him? Look. look. Alright. Oh, there you go. It just disappeared. Alright, still driving, guys, and this is custard apple. Custard apple, custard apple. Let me go a little close up for you so you can see it a little better. Alright. There you go, custard apple. Which one? Oh, this one. Okay, cool. Let me check it. No, not quite ready. Not quite ready. But that's custard apple, guys. Not quite ready. Custard apple. This looks like Nesberry. Nesberry. Nothing is on it yet, but that's a Nesberry tree. All right, more custard apple here. Custard apple, custard apple. All right. All right, guys. So now we're in a place called Chambers Pen. Chambers Pen. Chambers Pen. In a smaller community called Brick Heart. All right. This is where we're gonna get the Vervain and all the other good stuff. So you have fever grass there, guys. Fever grass in abundance. Coconut, the young one. And acres of coconut trees. Look at that. Acres of coconut trees. Yeah, man. That reminds me of the old time days. That's the cow saying hi. Now this is Shemamaka. Dead and weight we call it here. Right, Shemamaka. Shemo lady. Watch this, guys. Watch this now. I'm gonna touch it and it's gonna shrink. Amazing. See that? In a little while, usually in a couple of minutes, it will reopen. But apparently that's a defense mechanism this plant has. Whenever it is touched, it shrinks. Amazing stuff. And it's one of those plants again that has tremendous medicinal values, medicinal properties. So make sure you check it out as well. It's Shemamaka. Now Kerry, guys, is gonna pick coconut, jelly, coconut. Careful enough.
Coconut with jelly.
Jelly coconut, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we found the Vervain, the blue Vervain. So here is it. Alright, they're not as lush as they typically are at this time of the year, because it's a little bit drier. No, and it seems as if it's off season as well. But this is it. It's a cleanser and builder. It's a good video of Corona, yeah. Cool. Alright, guys, so this is the Vervain again. Blue Vervain. It's not the season, not quite the season now. That's why these look a little dry, a little hardy. But we're grateful because it's very limited at this point. But that's it, the real stuff, the Vervain. Thanks to Circling who did the harvest. Alright, guys, I'm learning something new here. This is a flower, a plant, a herb. Call it Wild Laps, I'm learning now, is good for blood pressure, regulates blood pressure.
Yeah, man.
And the seed is a...
Good rice and peas.
Really?
And peas
The seed, rice and peas?
Inside.
Oh. Okay. I didn't even know. Alright, so they cook it with rice and peas back in the days?
Yeah.
Oh, what's the name again?
Wild Laps.
Wild Laps. Alright, guys, Wild Laps. Let me know if you ever seen this before and tell me what you know about it.
Yeah.
But this is good education for me. Wild Laps. Alright, guys, so here what happened now. I have Mr. Duppy with me here. Again, this is the Shemamaka. We got a bunch of Shemamaka here. But Mr. Duppy has been the man telling me about all the herbs. But why they call him Duppy? Why they call him Duppy? He doesn't want to come on camera, so I'm asking him to tell me why they call him Duppy. Off camera. Yes, sir. So why they call it Duppy?
the reason why they call me duppy, from me a youth, them say me dead.
Yeah.
My sister come see me and move. That is the first kicking off of the dead.
When you were a baby?
Yeah. That is the first one.
Yeah.
The second one, I run off and them say them couldn't find me.
Yeah.
So them say them find a guy in the cane field.
Yeah.
Them say it's me.
And you?
Not me.
Yeah.
A truck scratched with us now and they take me now back to Black River Hospital.
Yeah.
Put me on the fridge. The duppy blood and the duppy.
They put you on the fridge?
Yeah.
You mean where they put the dead people?
Yeah, yeah.
What do you mean?
What you mean?
So what happened? What happened?
When a porter guy see me start rock my foot and pull me out.
Really?
Of it. Yeah.
Man.
From that.
Oh, so that's how you get the name Duppy?
No, from baby days, my name Duppy.
Oh, so before you... Oh, man. All right.
Present.
All right, guys. So we're holding a second here. Duppy is actually
Present.
answering his banger phone. So let me just wait a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, man. So they call it Duppy from you were a baby because you were supposed to be dead when you were born.
Yeah. And my sister find me. So me doesn't die. Come back.
As a baby?
At the age of 3.
3. So what happened at the time?
4, 6.
Okay, okay.
And then pass me dead.
Oh, maybe just lie down and...
Yeah, and no moving, no shaping, nothing at all.
Oh.
You pack a lot of salt, those days from your belly and put a iron. Someone they call by the name of Kelmac now give me that name, Duppy. But it's only a dead man, you never see a man dead and alive. So it must be a Duppy. Yeah.
So that was 3 years old, and then later on, this what happened again?
Later on, after catching up to around 15, 16, I run off, left the countryside, and them say, boy, they can't find me. And at the time, they kill a man, one man used to par, one named Duppy and one named Ghost.
Oh.
So they went kill the ghost and left the Duppy. That's why them say they did kill me. You get me?
Yes.
So them find that man that came peace and my parents go look on the man and say, yes, it's me.
Whoa.
You know?
Whoa. So both of you is short and little body?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So one was ghost and one was Duppy, 2 of us.
Okay.
Two terrible man, two rude boy.
Rude boy. So that was the second time, right?
Yeah. And the last time now,
the
last one now, a brother from around here, so we call him Miller. He drive on a truck, go town, market truck, he scratch by White House, and then take me from White House, carry me to Black River, from Black River, then put me on the fridge, my port a bridge in, see me a rock, take me out, and ask him, what are you doing here, so? After me never there here, so me did the White House.
Yes. Oh, so you were unconscious then?
Yeah.
Oh.
So when we said that to him, him say, if you know what's happened, that are different.
Yeah.
I just told me that I'm on a fear.
Yes.
That's how you could go get back yourself together.
Yeah, wow. So the man save your man because otherwise the free for them.
And then after that now, in the morning when the doctor man come in, tell the doctor man I want to go home. Then test me through and him say nothing doesn't wrong. I'm just the same day. I didn't come back countryside.
Head out.
Kingston.
Head out. Other people dead off our truck?
Yeah.
People you know?
Yeah, man.
Shuni,
Dave, Jonesy.
So that was a bad accident, man?
Yeah, man. Serious accident, man. At the same accident make Mr. Miller have to run with. Alright. I went on a George Moore truck and it drive against it and it lick against it and Mr. Iron get up out tight like that, one rail. And just set cross here. So everything was on that side in here, me talk. Me have those set of people. Man neck broke, man head, man mash up, all man face mash up.
Whoa. So you earned the name Duppy, man?
Yeah, man.
Well, hopefully there's no other story. Because from you get the name at 3 years old, it seems as if the Duppy things out for you, man.
Yeah.
Man, guys, there's power in name, you know, I tell you that much. So anyway, I'm hoping that nothing. Because you're a big man now, about 60, 50 odd.
60 odd.
60 odd. Yeah, man. So we give thanks for your life.
Yeah, man.
So you can at least come and tell me about Bush.
Me not dead, man.
Me not dead?
No, man. Me not dead.
All right. Well, I love your energy. I love your vibes. Love your vibes. All right. So you're going to show me some more Bush, though. All right, guys. That's Duppy. He's... And maybe that's the reason why he doesn't come on camera, because Duppy don't come on camera. But this guy is very knowledgeable, man. Very knowledgeable. And quite a story, huh? Man. There's a guava here.
Yeah, right. Like the guava,
Uh-huh.
you stew it up with a belly of earth, you just stew the bud of it and swallow.
Okay. Alright, these are little
Eat out the juice, suck out the juice and swallow.
of the leaf.
Like the bud.
So this is
Right
the
here. Yeah.
oh. So that okay. So you just chew it up
Yeah.
and suck it and then
Spit out the
Spit out-
trash and then the belly go.
okay. The juice, so squeeze it. Okay, okay. Alright, these are actually in the field. So they're not as fresh looking as lush there because they're in a cow pen. Jack on a bush or jack in the bush.
Yeah.
What jack in the bush good for, Duppy?
Boil for tea purpose.
Tea. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Jack on a bush, guys. Trust me, quite a good learning here for me.
This one bush, good for belly ache.
This one is what?
Kwaku bush.
Oh, Kwaku. Yeah,
Yeah.
Kwaku. Oh yeah, I know this one. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Kwaku.
one of them that I promote as well.
Yeah.
A Kwaku or Guaku?
Kwaku.
Kwaku, okay.
Yeah.
But it's a cleanser. Then,
Yeah,
I'll
it's a
store.
cleanser.
Yeah, and it bitter too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, clean Guaku. All right.
Yeah.
Good. The Guaku or Kwaku, whichever one. So see another one here, man. If we go far, we find another one here.
That's a trumpet.
Trumpet leaf. No, I know the
Pressure.
trumpet leaf. It's a baby trumpet leaf though.
Yeah.
But it's good for pressure.
Yeah.
Alright? Good for pressure.
Yeah.
All of this stuff growing wild here, guys. Wild stuff here. Baby trumpet leaf, good for pressure.
Yeah.
And whole, and I'm sure a lot of other
This
stuff.
one now, we call this one arrowroot.
Alright, this is arrowroot.
Yeah, this one.
Alright.
Arrowroot.
Yeah, I know my grandmother used to use that to make porridge.
Yeah.
It grows under the ground
Yeah,
like a yam,
like
a carrot.
Yeah.
You just dig it and take it out.
Yeah.
You can pull one or you pull one, that's a demonstration purpose. Oh, this one young.
Yeah.
A little bit young, okay. But this is what we're, and you take that and cut it and grate and grate it.
Yeah. And
I
use
use-
it for porridge.
Porridge. Nice. That's arrowroot, guys. There's a mango tree here. Not quite mango season yet, guys, but should let you know that's mango here. And we're talking about plants. Definitely not even scratching the surface here. There's so much, but I just wanted to share with you some of them that we have here at what is it? Chambers Pen. Chambers Pen in Hanover. I went to the freezer grass already on the other side. Alright guys, Dasheen. This is a farm, seems as if it's already reaped. But thought I'd share. Show you Dasheen. Dasheen. Yeah, Dasheen. Something like yam. Alright, so this is another special one. Never die. I know this plant, you know, man, but I never know that it
That is the name for it.
never die. Yeah, we had it in the back of our yard, so it's used for tea as well. Never die, Jamaican herb. Yeah, more Vervain, guys, more Vervain here. Nicer looking one here. Alright. This one is what now? The
Spanish needle.
Spanish needle. Let me capture it there a little bit. Alright, so Spanish needle, another of the. Alright, this is the one with the white here, the white and yellow here, guys. Bees, flock it. Spanish needle. Good for what again, Duppy?
And it's good for eating purpose.
Oh, you can eat it like callaloo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But a powerful medicine I heard as well.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. Google that Spanish needle. Good. And more Spanish needle, guys. More Spanish needle. More Spanish needle here. Beautiful white and yellow color. This one is
4-foot leaf.
Cofoot leaf.
Yeah, you peel it and tie it onto the pain. Keep it onto your feet.
Quail it and tie it to the and
Yeah.
it help relieve the pain.
Yeah.
Cofoot leaf. Alright. This one?
Yeah, this one.
At first I'm seeing this one.
Yeah, man. If you got right name, I don't remember feet name.
Smell, it's strong, man.
Yeah, man.
What strong smell?
Yeah, if you got what's name again?
But we're good for, you know?
It's good for drinking purpose, baby belly and all that stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna check the name of it, guys,
Yeah.
and put it on the screen
Yeah.
here so you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, this is an interesting one. First I'm seeing this one.
You want it? You remember my name, Lenny? You want it?
Oh,
What name?
Remember my name,
I
man?
put something for drinking, man.
Wait, you don't know the name?
Smell bad.
You forgot my name, man.
Bad.
Yeah, man, it's strong.
Good bush, then always smell bad.
Yeah. Me remember what
You remember our name and expensive bush to you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, if you know this one, drop a comment down below for me.
Well, me no know.
But this is an interesting plant.
Yeah, man. That one, yeah.
Mm.
This one is strong back.
A strong back that?
Yeah.
Are that name strong back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, say.
Yeah, man. That's strong back.
Oh, cool. I heard a lot about this plant, you know, man.
Yeah, man. That's strong back.
So it's a roots. It's a,
Yeah.
a build roots.
Yeah.
Strong back, guys. I don't want to hear name now.
They call it one seed on the leaf.
Seed on the leaf.
Yeah, good for the crow bait.
Corona.
Yeah.
Seed on the leaf. Good for corona. Good
Yeah.
for corona.
Crow bait. You know, call it
You know, they call him crow bait.
Yeah, crow bait.
All right. But how you use it? You
boil and drink.
boil it and drink it.
With turmeric.
With turmeric. Powerful.
Yeah, garlic.
Garlic and turmeric.
Yeah.
And what you call it again?
Seed on the leaf.
Seed on the leaf. Powerful plant.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this build your immune system, the
Yeah.
immunity booster.
Yeah.
Garlic, turmeric, and the
Guinea hen.
guinea hen.
Yeah.
All the powerful stuff, that man.
Yeah, man.
All right. Seed on the leaf. That's the name of it. We call it here, guys.
Yeah.
Man, you need to document some of your knowledge, you know, man. Yeah, whole heap of knowledge, that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of knowledge, yeah. There's another one, guys. This now is the
Wild time.
wild time. I'm familiar with this, you know. But this is like a wild, we never really use it. But this is what it's good for.
For sore mouth for baby when teething.
Oh, so how you do it? How you use
Rub
it?
it and rub it up and rub it on your mouth.
Oh, greens. Just pick it and rub it green, same in the mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, wild time.
Yeah.
Well-
For sore mouth for baby when they're teething.
We found the name. Fixweed. Okay. Oh, fitzweed.
Yeah.
Very interesting smell. I've never smelled anything quite like that. Very strong, but a little bit unusual.
Yeah.
But it's quite interesting. This is it. Fixweed. And this is new. All right, that's it. Fixweed. You got it, man. Good. This is a dandelion. Dandelion. It's a baby one. It doesn't have a flower. Oh, actually, yeah, man. There's one over here. This one doesn't have the pod. So this is the dandelion again. Close up, guys. This is the one with the flower. And then the one, and also the pod. There you have it. This is what is usually dried, and the beans taken out, or the seeds taken out, parched, grounded like coffee, and made into tea. Dandelion. Good for prostate, but duppy say as well. Alright, guys. So in the distance over there is a basida tree. Not quite so near. So what do you say about it, duppy?
Yeah, that one, if you have a lady and you can't get her pregnant, you just strip the side to where the sun rising from. You soak it in the natural water with garlic and have it for 9 morning drinking. You have to get her pregnant.
Basida.
Yeah.
Alright.
In other words, we call it donkey corn.
Donkey corn. Alright, guys.
There a berry on it or you can eat.
Yes, I know that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same one.
Yeah.
Solid learning.
Yeah.
Whoa. I came on a herb tour, but it turned out to be quite an adventure. I learned so much. Man, I learned so much. I hope you have too. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. What was your aha moment? What stood out for you? Share that in the comment section below. I just want to thank Miss James again and Sir Glenn and Duppy, aka Scrappy. And it turned out that apparently we are family, because he's Samuels and my great grandparents were also Samuels. So in fact I grew up on Samuel's property. So it turned out that he's Samuels, he said, and he's from Westmoreland. He has family in my area, in my neck of the woods as well. So there you go. Small Jamaica, small world. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure sharing this with you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos about Jamaica, about what I call the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of those. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.